Today, I want to talk to you all about the benefits of using grounding and self-soothing techniques to help us feel calm, manage difficult and overwhelming emotions, as well as the physical sensations or cues that is related to those emotions. And one of the grounding techniques that I want to talk about today is the five senses. And so if you know the five senses, you know, your to see, hear, touch, smell, and taste. So we're going to utilize those five senses to ground ourselves. And so how do you do that? So what you do is name five things that you can see, name four things that you can hear, name three things that you can touch that's in your immediate reach, name two things that you can smell, and name one thing that you can taste. And so what does that do? What that does is help us get back to a state of feeling more balanced and feeling more like reset, right? So when we're overwhelmed, when we're going through grief and stress and things like that, our brains can be all over the place. We can feel like, you know, these thoughts will stop coming in. I'm feeling stressed and overwhelmed. And grounding techniques help us kind of stay back to homeostasis, where we just kind of get back to a reset space, right? So if I'm reset, what I can then do is now have healthier thoughts on how to resolve some of those things that's going on. So, I got to do this, I got to do that, I got to do that. So instead of my brain doing that, when I get back to a more homeostasis or reset state, what I am doing is basically being able to kind of regroup and figure out my best answers at that moment. Because when I'm all over the place, it's difficult to figure out my best answers at that moment. The next thing is a self-soothing exercise that I recommend as well. And the self-soothing exercise just lets your body and your mind know that I'm okay, I'm going to be fine, I can get through this. And so how do you utilize self-soothing techniques? One of the things that you can do is, like a kid will come up to your face and do something like this. You can do it to yourself as well. And just hold your face and breathe. In and out. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Next thing you can do is both of those hands, you can put one on your chest and one hand on the other hand on top of your chest, of the same hand on your chest. And you just breathe in and breathe out. You can do that 3 to 4 times, but I'm going to move on to the next one. Put one hand, leave that one hand on your chest and put the other hand on your belly. And you can, above your belly button, and you can breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. And bring the hand that's on your chest, put it on top of the hand that's on top of your belly button. And you can just rub your hands around your belly button in a circular motion, around your stomach in a circular motion as you breathe in and out. So next, you give yourself a butterfly hug. You can do this. You just kind of like you're making a butterfly, and just hold your chest. Give yourself a hug. I like giving myself the butterfly hug like this. Just giving myself a hug like this. And if I'm feeling a little funky or feeling real good, I might give myself a kiss on my arms, on my hands, and just love on myself, because like sometimes we know what we need, and that helps release a lot of tension. That hug just kind of resets your mind, resets your energy and things like that. So if you haven't given yourself a hug today, please give yourself a hug and let me know how it feels. All right, take care.